Have you ever blown a tire on the trail? We all have. Well, SuperATV's got you covered with their heavy-duty spare tire carrier for the Teryx 4, and today we're going to show you how to get one installed. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove these two Allen-headed screws from the inside. Then we'll take our spare tire carrier, slide it on, just like this. Reinstall our screws. Then we're going to grab our hardware. We'll have a bolt, a spacer, and a nut. Go ahead and get our spacer lined up with the hole, slide the bolt through, and put our nut on the inside. Then we'll go ahead and fully tighten our hardware. Once all your hardware is tight, you're good to go to throw your spare tire on, tighten your lug nuts up, and that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's spare tire carrier on this Kawasaki Teryx 4. For more information on this spare tire carrier or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.